Hey guys, we are here in Xcaret. We're checking out Children's World, which is a water park with an obstacle course for children 6 years and older, and then some stuff for the kiddos that are younger than 6 years. It's beautiful here. If you live here and you are a local, you can buy a yearly pass for about $120. That's what we did. Come every day if you want, and you can bring your own food and drinks. Guys, let's check it out. Gorgeous here, waterfalls, slides, an obstacle course, and you know, plenty of wildlife here. Another thing I love about this place is that it has life vests that are required everywhere, all sides. Very convenient. So I'm going to get my little guy one of these and put it on him. We're going to go to it and we're going to get in over. She's absolutely gorgeous. Very refreshing, cool water from a cenote. And a nice little waterfall over there. Isn't that gorgeous? You ready? Ready on? Let's go. Put it on. Yeah, you have to put it on, buddy. Yes, you do. All right, guys, let's get in. And it's a little bit cold when you first get in. No, actually, this is nice. This is perfect. This is not bad at all. And you can be on the other side as well, waiting for the kids to come down. They got this great obstacle course that takes about 10 minutes for the kids to go through, and then they come out of that slide right over there. And you can be waiting for them. And they got lifeguards everywhere, very professional. They have probably around the whole park hundreds of them, but in this area especially, probably a dozen. I would venture to guess. They have cameras everywhere. It's very safe. You can go up to the kiddie area here, but I kind of like to chill out with my little one right here and just relax a little bit, get a little bit cool. If you'd like to, please just comment on the section down below, write Xcaret, and maybe we can come together if you'd like and get the kids together. So let's have some fun. Ready? You're gonna go do the obstacle course? Yeah? Alright, you guys have fun. Last one is a rotten egg. And if you got really little ones, like maybe a 1 or 2 year old, they can splash around in there with you, and it's very, very convenient. Let's go check out the obstacle course. I'm gonna go check out the obstacle course now. They have an adults obstacle course here. It's very basic. Something you can just kind of go and get a little exercise in, but this is where it's at. This is my favorite part right here. Something about the water running and that viewing that. Isn't it gorgeous? Let's go. see you on the other side, guys. Let's go look at them on the other side. Hey, up there? How hard was it climbing the rope? I get to go down a rope, go up and down and all around.
Escala, Liam, escala.
Climb, escala, climb. Right? Yeah? Mini me. All right.
Cuidado con la cámara, papá. Cuidado.
Where are you guys going next?
The slide.
To the slide? Okay, and if we ever wanted to get in, we can get there. But they're gonna go down this slide and meet us down here. Hey, hold on. Wait a minute. I'll tell you when to come down. All right, so we're going down to meet the kids. And not slippery. I'd still be careful though. And this is nice, cool water. And they just finished up the obstacle course. We haven't even seen, we've seen like maybe 10% of it. And all right, guys, come on down. Oh yeah, here they come. Oh, wow.
Holy mollies.
Yes. Was that fun?
Yes.
It looked like fun. Wish I could get in there. Well, it's gorgeous here, guys. It's gorgeous. They're having fun. Very kid-friendly here. And we got these water lilies. You can hang on to crabs in the rocks. And if you'd like to join us, comment in the section down below. Would love to come with other people and have some fun, guys. And let me know if you want to buy one of these. I might have one that says My Casa if you think it's a good idea. But these are amazing because when you first get them, they're like that. Cover your shoulders, so convenient, they're breathable. I play golf in this. It's incredible. It's my favorite hat. It makes me look good. All right, guys, let's be neighbors soon.
No, we are going to go again.
You're going to go again?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go again. 3 times. Wow. All right, guys, let's go. And they are going again. We'll do this 6, 12 times till they're all tuckered out. And then we're going to go check out the floating river where you can just relax and float for about 30 minutes. And your belongings will be where on the other side they actually take it over there for you free of charge. And let's see how these guys start off the obstacle course. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Let's see who can get tired out faster, you or me. They're doing so well. Okay, let's go check them out on the other side. Wow, look how quickly they get up there. Just climbed up there. Now they're climbing down with ropes. Good skills to have. He's rappelling. Apparently he's done this before. Rappel, rappel, rappel. Fell off. All right, Oliver's going backwards and takes it as a slide. All right, let's go further. Guys, they have so much wildlife here. Monkeys and pumas and these little things that are on the buffet as well. They are absolutely delicious. I'm kidding, of course, but they are adorable. All right, go guys. Okay, there they go. You can watch them most of the way, which I really like. And they have these little areas where you can kind of perch atop and see them at different points of their adventure. And then they're going to come over here. Wave to the camera, guys. All right. You can do it. Let's go. Oh wait, hold on. And it's not a very steep slide. If you don't push yourself, you know, you can kind of just stay there if you want. You can go at whatever speed you want, so it's quite nice.
Fast.
You're gonna go super fast? All right.
No, wait.
Head first.
No.
1, 2, 3. Woo! Nice. You gotta go to the bathroom, buddy? All right. It's another thing. They got amazing bathrooms here. And we can just walk down here, see how they're doing in the cenote section. So that's something I really like. You get to see them all sorts of different points. As you can see, they're going through this little cavern over there. And then you'll see them on the other side. Let's go take a look. All right, here they are, guys. 10 seconds later, there they go. Let's go follow them. And there they go, 10 seconds later, like clockwork. And if they're really going fast, they can probably do this in about 7 minutes, maybe less. We're right back here, guys. So, as you can hear, they're having lots of fun. Lots of people here. This is good for parents as well. You can go to the beach. You can go scuba diving, snorkeling. They have some beautiful cenotes. And maybe I'll make some bonus material and show you guys some of that in a little bit. Yeah, it's good fun. Is it funny? Is it funny? Yeah, it's funny. Let's go.
Oliver, wait!
Let's go. And look how easily they can climb up with the rope and using their feet and just come right up.
Ow! Oh, my butt.
And
Butt? Back. Ah, creí era tu pompa.
great place to learn English and Spanish as well. So guys, that's Children's World, kind of a water park here. Maybe I'll make some bonus material, don't go anywhere, and see if I can show you a little bit of the beach and the river where you just float. That's all you do, you just float. And the natural currents just take you down there. It's so convenient. And, oh, okay, yes. Okay, splash with the kids here. So much fun. They're like, hey, we want you to record us. All right, guys, you all ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Oh, here they come, here they come, here they come. Whoa. Nice. Was it fun?
Yes.
Did you like it?
Yes.
You want to do it again?
Yes.
Let's go. Guys, let's go. Let's have some fun. Love coming here. Such a great price, such a great deal. If we can help you with your immigration, all you need is your temporary visa or permanent residency or temporary residency, sorry. And we can help you with that. We have people that can help you with that. It's not difficult. Mexico is very warm and welcoming to Americans and Canadians and all sorts of people. Oh, cool. Love these little crabs right here. And they get quite big too. And those are going to be on the buffet as well. Any question about immigration, just comment immigration and maybe I'll make a video about that and show you how easy it is and how inexpensive. And let's see if I can show you a few other things like the river. Let's see. All right, guys. You got this very nice bathroom here, changing room. Take your shower right there, just pull on those. And let's take a quick, you done, buddy? Let's go. So big, spacious family restrooms, good for 3-4 people to come in at once and get changed. Very convenient, guys. They thought of everything here, the architecture, the design, how it's used is just really well done. Right, Oliver?
Huh?
Just say yes.
Yes.
Let's go.
Look at this.
Wow, that's good water pressure right there, buddy. All right, ready to have some fun?
Yes.
Let's go. Guys, I didn't get a chance to take my camera on the river walk stream kind of floating thing, but it was amazing. I'm gonna get it on camera next time. Guys, did you have fun?
Yes.
Excellent. It is so much fun here. You actually need about 3 days to check it out. But if you want to see the river, which was so tranquil, so nice, so gorgeous, there were some moments there where it was just so quiet and you're in these huge caverns. Just click on the link right here and you'll be able to see those. And if you'd like to see anything else in Playa del Carmen or the Riviera Maya in general, you know, we're always around the Cancun, Puerto Morelos, Puerto Aventuras, Playa del Carmen, Akumal, Tulum area. We're all over the place. Just click in the comments, and if enough people say, hey, we want to see this or that, we will do it. We'll do it, guys. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, please, and leave a comment, a like. Really helps the channel. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and let's be neighbors soon.